Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am at my parents'. It is the long weekend and we are going to have lunch here. I thought I would just come over and do a quick little garden tour now that it's August. We did one early in the year when everything was getting started, so I thought I'd just do a quick little tour to show you guys where everything is at my mom's house. And it is August 3rd and she's actually in zone 5B. So I'm in zone 5A and she's in zone 5B. In Eastern Ontario. So let's go ahead and look at what she has. So we're starting with the front area. She always has this little bike here where she plants. They're the cutest plants, how she does it. She kind of tries to make everything look nice in the front. There are hostas. This is a cute little hosta right here. She is inside getting some stuff ready. So I just thought, why not come and have a look? So she didn't plant a lot of herbs this year. And she's getting cherry tomatoes. Lots of them. This is her lettuce. Almost done. These are the marigolds. They're the same ones that I have at my house in my garden. She planted these black tomatoes as well. I believe the cherry tomatoes are coming up better than the regular sized tomatoes this year for a lot of people. She's been collecting rocks so that she can make this thing a garden. But we're going to order some daffodils in another month to plant for the next spring, and she's going to put them in here. So she kind of puts little pockets of little flowers and stuff like that come up every year as well. She puts them on her front porch too. Oh, this one's kind of nice. She leaves the little tags out there so she knows what it is. Now here are her tomatoes. Her tomatoes have been really weird this year. She has had black on the bottom of it. So right here, she has had problems with her tomatoes this year. And we looked it up and she had to put a little bit more calcium in it, I think. So hopefully they're going to get better. But let's see. I believe these are beefsteak tomatoes as well. This apple tree has about 10 apples on it, but she's not having a good year with pollination, which neither am I with my cucumbers and that, but she's having a bad year with pollinating her apple trees. And here are her beans. She's actually getting a lot of beans on them. She's potatoes. So her raspberries here, and she has a Saskatoon berry bush. Those are going to come to my house. I just have to look up when is the best time to bring them over, like as in to plant them. So whether or not it's going to be in the fall or if we're in the spring. You can hear my parents talking in the background. This tree only has one apple. It's right there. It's only produced one apple. She has some asparagus and she put in some herbs, but they're not doing that great. So here is everything. A lot of things have already bloomed and died back because we are in August now. So a lot of them have come up and died back, as you can see there. There's some nice lilies. There's usually like a loon duck family out here as well. And then she has her big hostas over here that come up. I love these big flowers. I've actually started trying to use these hostilies in my vases when I make floral arrangements at home, because I think it's awesome to use the greenery as well. And that's it. And then she has her little stuff up there. And that's about it. My mom asked me to go pick some of her cherry tomatoes because there were so many on the vine. So me and Terry are just doing that for her now and enjoying the nice weather. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini update of my mom's garden. And that, like, if you do, share this with somebody you think would be interested in knowing about the Zone 5B gardening, and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you guys in the next one.